Grass is very important to New Zealand farmers as it forms the main source of feed for New Zealand cows. Well-fed cows produce more milk, so farmers look to grow as much grass as they can on their farms and then feed it to the cows at the right time. To do this, farmers need to measure the pasture in each paddock on their farm on quite a regular basis. And current technologies mean that in general the farmer has to walk in each of the paddocks on the farm and estimate how much pasture is in each one. LIC has been trying to assist farmers to measure their pastures for a number of years, and 2 years ago we saw the potential to use satellite technology. We're working with a partner in the US that has approximately 200 satellites in space at the moment, and what this means is that it gets around New Zealand's cloud problem. So anytime you have a clear day in New Zealand, you should be getting some satellite images.
The challenge for LIC was to take that satellite imagery and turn it into pasture information that farmers could use. We needed to gather a huge amount of satellite imagery, and then we needed to make sure that imagery was free of interference. The ability to identify these bad images automatically was a crucial part of the project. Once we had this information, we were able to form equations that linked paddocks and satellite imagery to amounts of grass in those paddocks.
The next key part was to make sure that we could give the information back to the farmers in a way that they could use it. To do this, we've created space reports. They go out via email to the farmers, and within these reports we have a colour-coded farm map. The farmers can use these maps to immediately identify where the most feed is on farm. Within these reports we've also included a list of all their paddocks. The paddocks are ordered by the most to the least amount of feed availability. And we've also told them how much is within each paddock. The feedback from farmers has been really positive, and we're thrilled with how it's gone, and we now have a tangible product out there in the industry that the farmers are getting to use that actually required a lot of really complex background work.